Hello guys, welcome back to Motor Rides. It's Mike over here, and today we're looking at the customization, the full exhaust system change of this Zontes t310. This is my bike. I did this at Acid Custom Garage. You should follow that on Instagram. I'll attach their page on the description and everything else. So I did a few things. First, I did the paint job on the crash guards, and then the full Akrapovic exhaust system. So I'll show you the previous exhaust and the sound, which is not that much of a pleasing sound if you're into bikes and all that. And then I got the Akrapovic. So stick until the end of the video to hear the new sound, man. It's crazy things over here in Motor Rides.
Okay, now we'll start looking at the garage. Now this is the garage. Look at this bike. This the guy that made this bike from scratch, man. The guy called Acid Boy. He made this is his own bike. These two of them, both of them are his own bike. The crazy one, red and black, he made it from scratch using materials from this and that, picking things in up and down, and then he got it to where it is now, and it's working fully functional. Okay, of course this guy is a professional racer, so of course he has this powerful bike over here in yellow. Now you can also see other bikes, couple of works in progress, and then the Zontes. Now this is my bike previously. You can see the crash guards are like silver, if I'm not wrong. I had a little bit issue with the number plate, it was kind of loose, and the exhaust system, you can see the double exhaust, though it wasn't that clear. So let's hear the exhaust before.
Okay now guys, so let's hear the new sound. This is the Akrapovic exhaust. It's custom, it's a full exhaust change. They did the whole thing, man. This guy Acid Boy is a really cool man, and talented guy. So yeah, let's hear it. Sound system. This is the new exhaust on my bike, Zontes t310, man. Do subscribe, the like button, share your thoughts. What do you think about the sound? Remember, the sound we have, it has the dB killer, so if I take it off, it's another scenario. I didn't want it to be too loud because the neighbors and all that, we don't want to upset people. But yeah, whatever it is at the moment, that's what I love, man. So cheers, man. If you're into bikes, do subscribe with the like button, share your thoughts. It's Mike over here, man. Cheers.